If you were growing roots, your ponytail would not be growing roots as well. I'm just gonna say that.
Next we have Discord Adams. I can see the artistry in this. Yeah.
I don't even think you needed the skirt.
Yeah.
I think if the front piece of the skirt were off, I think overall it would have looked amazing. I hate those.
Got a little heavy-handed with it. And finally, we have Nene.
Made sure these were sealed. These are the wigs I got from Beauty Island. This is the first one, called Morgan, and the color Flamboyage Copper. So I don't know if you can like see in the light. It's like a warm brown. She is long. So that was the first one. And then the second one, this, it's hard to see with the package, but the name is Matilda, and the color is like this. Deep chocolate brown. I'm trying to get it in the light. I don't know if you can see based on the photo. She's got bangs. So I thought that would be cute. And then the third and final wig I grabbed is called, well, it's Outrage Everywhere Every 5. And the color is DRFF 42599J. So that's how it looks. And you can see by the color, it's like this pretty red. So none of the wigs I got are full dark brown. Like this wig is 2, so it's dark brown. But they're all colored browns, reds. So I thought that that would be cute. And then this box is the Buc-ee's box. This is the box. I brought this one with me already when I packed. We have, I think this is one of the shirts I got for my mom. Just with the Buc-ee's logo on the front. And the lady at the store told me that this is a sticker. So if she wants to stick it on something, she can. I grabbed that. Oh, this is also from Beauty Island. This is just Batana hair oil to use on my hair. I'm familiar with this brand, Different Feel. I got a hair mask from them as well. So when I'm hair oiling, I can use that. And then I also picked up, oh yeah, wrapped in the clothing are some of the hot sauces that you saw me get at Buc-ee's. So this is the ghost pepper sauce that they had, and then the Carolina Reaper hot sauce. And then I grabbed a large crew neck with the Buc-ee's logo on the front. And my lovely tumbler that I can use, drink it at work. This is for my mom. So this is the whipped shea butter yellow. They had various sizes. This was the smallest size. I picked that up for her. And then this is my shirt. We're gonna have matching shirts. So it's no different than the first one. And then I had to get one of the seasonings. So this is their Buc-ee's Cajun seasoning. And then of course, a shot glass. And it says, the best little outhouse in Georgia. And it has the Buc-ee's logo on the front with the state of Georgia to signify that this is the Buc-ee's location I visited. Because there's so many all in the South. So I went to the one in Calhoun, Georgia. That is my little Georgia shopping haul. I'll be back soon, no doubt. Not to Buc-ee's, but to Georgia. So more shopping hauls in the future. And yeah, that's everything I got. Hello. Currently in the parking lot waiting for my mom. We're gonna race to the warehouse real quick. because I want to get my Citibank rewards money so I can use it to further pay off my credit card, because I am wanting to get out of any debt I may currently have in 2026. I want to make strides in paying off my car note. I want to pay off my credit card. I just want to have more freedom with my money, and I know that I will achieve that by getting out of debt. So we're gonna go get the City Rewards money. She also needs to pick up something from the pharmacy, and I think there was something else she mentioned. So I'm currently right now waiting for her to walk over, and I keep like forgetting what day it is because I'm like still thrown off from my trip since I came back on Sunday and was off on Monday. So today is Wednesday, hump day. Oh, she's here. Okay. So I'm getting in the car now. We need to talk about the Top Model documentary series. That is insane. We'll talk about it when I'm finished, but it's crazy. There we go.
No, we're gonna get drinks there.
This is what overconsumption looks like. And I am on a mission to undo all of the damage that has been done. So I am going to greatly purge my lip products because I assure you there's stuff in here that's old that I don't and haven't worn for a while. Like I don't even wear this Juvia's Place gloss. And yeah, I'm just on the drive home today. All I was thinking about was how I just have so much crap that I want to get rid of. I'm tired of it. So that's what Thursday, I don't even know what day it is. That's what Thursday night is going to be all about. Purging. I'm going to put on Housewives and just get rid of the stuff I don't need. And I know I'm going to feel so much better when I'm done. So let's do it. And like some of the stuff is still packaged up because I haven't even used it yet. Oh! I don't need any more Fenty gloss. I have a bajillion Fenty gloss. I love you, Rihanna. I don't need any more of your stuff. Not until I finish every last bottle. I'm in the kitchen now. Wig is off, so you know I mean business. But I have purged. That was like the first round. I'm not done. I'm getting rid of it. Getting rid of it all.
Did you show it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I started with stuff behind the closet. But of all of that, I'm like, I still use this. I still dip in here. So some of that I can keep. Mm-hmm. And then I went with my lip glosses. I have so many Fenty glosses. It's ridiculous.
I
have
them out.
I know. I've made Rihanna so rich.
Yes, you have. You have so
and
many, yes.
Maybelline glosses. And there are other ones that I'm just like, if I'm going to wear a gloss, it's either Maybelline or Fenty. So the rest can go.
The rest can go.
You can look through them.
Okay.
But I believe that you should just stick with whatever is in my drawers. What I kept is what I believe is worth keeping.
Okay. So
and there's
stuff you don't think so.
Right. And there's still tons in my drawer. Still, which is like, don't get me started. Happy Saturday. I'm at Hobby Lobby with my mom. Rockin' Super Bowl 2026 champs. Ew. Don't hate. Oh, that's ugly. I decided to join her because, oh, here we go. I decided to join her because we're gonna go to Trader Joe's later. Look at this ugly cow in a, look at this. Okay, I'm coming. Look at this. Wait, let me turn the camera around. You're joking. Mm-mm. You need like home stuff?
Yeah, like it was something, like we could use that, you know, like.
Dish sponge and bottle brush.
This would be good for our jugs.
Yeah.
Our water jugs.
This really is a nice camera. They have so many photos of cows in here. Like, look at her with a bow on her head. Where would I put that? We're one of the first people here. That's why it's so empty. I don't like it in here. I don't like it, Hobby Lobby. I am not a crafty queen. We're currently at Trader Joe's doing some grocery shopping. There are pages on social media dedicated to what's new at Trader Joe's, and I need to look at them so I can figure it out. Do you want the orange chicken?
Yes. Okay, can you hear me?
This is delicious.
Yeah, we into it.
This is my favorite Trader Joe's pizza. It is so good as like an appetizer. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick Trader Joe's haul, real quick. So, I got the tote, and in that tote, because, you know, sweet tooth, these are the sour strawberry candy belts. And then I also got a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. Lord knows when I'll drink it. So, then, also picked up sour cream and onion rings to snack on. Some pita chips. Rice cracker medley. Ooh, this looks good. Where did you see those? Oh, more of the sour cream and onion. These are the organic corn chip dippers. A lot of crunchies. Oh, this is new. These are the spicy spuds. Diced potatoes seasoned with Parmesan, cheese, lime, onion, paprika, and cayenne pepper. What else? They're mac and cheese. Tuna steak. I had it when I was in Georgia. Chicken spring rolls. Shiitake mushroom chicken. Oh, this is our favorite. We make this with broccoli and rice. This is the Trader Joe's orange chicken. This is so good. Highly recommend. Got some red potatoes. Broccoli florets. Oh, I also really like this too. I'll have it with like crackers and cream cheese. This is the everything but the bagel smoked salmon. And then my mom noticed this. We're going to try this. These are salmon pinwheels, spinach and Mediterranean style herb feta cheese wrapped in salmon. And then, oh, this probably explains all the chips. This is the garlic and Asiago cheese dip. We're going to try this today. Mom got some chili and garlic cashews. I can't eat these. I'm allergic to tree nuts, so stay away from those. Some string cheese. This is the everything but the bagel nut duo with almonds and cashews. Oh, this is also, we tried this for the first time at a friend's house years ago. This is the French style flatbread with creme fraiche, ham, caramelized onions, and Swiss style Gruyere cheese. This is great if you're having people over and it's like a nice little appetizer that you can put on the counter. Flatbread. And then finally, she got more of the chicken spring rolls. And then these are her banana chip plantains. So that is everything we picked up at Trader Joe's. We are home, got some breakfast. I have my eye patches on, as you can see. The fights start... Oh, what a butthead. The fights start in 2 hours. And I was initially going to go shopping, but the weather outside is so gross. So I am going to instead do some online shopping. And that's the mood for Saturday.